Greetings, my lovely viewers. Today we are going to look at conversion of numbers from base 10 to other bases. Conversion of numbers from base 10 to other bases. In our previous video, we have seen how to convert from other base to base 10. Now let's look at the example. The example says, convert 76 in base 10 to base 3. Convert 76 in base 10 to base 3. Now when numbers are in base 10, the digits you can see in base 10 are from 0 to 9. Likewise, where we are taking it to, which is base 3, in our answer, we are not going to see 3 or number greater than 3 in our answer. The digits we are going to see in our answer are 0, 1, and 2. So, we'll start. We are going to use a method of repeated division in solving this. So we are going to divide this with 3 and bring out the remainders. The remainders will be our answer. So I have 76. I'm dividing with the base 3. So 3 goes into 7, 2, remainder 1. 3 into 16 will give me 5, remainder 1. 3 goes into 25 will give me 8, remainder 1. 3 goes into 8 will give me 2, remainder 2. 3 again, 3 goes into 2. You can see that 3 cannot go into 2 and still give us a whole number. So I'll have 0 here, remainder this 2. I'll bring it out. Therefore, so once we finish dividing, we put our arrow like this, showing that we are going to read our answer from down. We are going to read our answer from down. Don't read from up. That is why sometimes fail it. At the end, they will solve everything very well, but at the end, they will read their answer from up, down. No, you start from down to read your answer. Therefore, 76 in base 10 is equal to 2, 2, 1, 1 in base 3. I hope it's clear. Now let's see another example on how to convert numbers from base 10 to other base. So the example says convert 328 to base 5. Now look at this number. There is no assigned base here. So when you have something like this and there is no assigned base, just know that it is in base 10. Are you getting what I'm saying? If you have a question like this and there is no assigned base to this base, just know that it is in base what? Base 10. So they asked us to take this number to base 5. So remember that I said when you are working in base 5, 5 or any number above 5 will not appear in your answer. So I have to divide this number with what? 5. So once you are taking a number from base 10 to any base at all, just use that base to divide that number and bring out your remainders. That's all. It's very simple. So I have 3, 2, 8. I'm going to divide with 5. Now 5 goes into 32 will give me 6. Remainder 2. 5 into 28 will give me 5. Remainder 3. Now 5 again. 5 into 6, 1. Remainder 1 into 15, 3. Remainder 0. Nothing remains. So 5 into 13 will give me 2. Remainder 3. Then 5 into 2. 5 cannot go into 2 and give you the whole number. So I have 0. Remainder this 2. So I'll bring it out. Then I'll put my arrow showing that you will read your answer from down. Therefore, 328, which is in base 10, is equal to 2303 in base 5. In base 5. I hope it's clear. Good. Let's also see one more examples on how to convert number from base 10 to base other bases. Now, the example says convert 28.125 in base 10 to base 2. So at this point, look at the number we are converting to base 2. So look up, it's very simple because once children see decimal point, they will say, yeah, they will shout, but it's very simple. Now look, So first of all, I'll take the whole number first to base 2. Later, I'll take the decimal number to base 2. So taking this whole number, which is in base 10, to base 2, I'm going to divide 28 with this base, which is what? 2. So 2 goes into 2, 1 into 8, 4, remainder 0. 2 into 14 is 7, remainder 0. 2 into 7 is 3, remainder 1. 2 goes into 3 is 1, remainder 1. And 2 goes into 1, 2 cannot go into 1 and still give me a whole number, so I have 0, remainder this one. I'll write it here. Then I'll read my answer from down. Remember, so 28 in base 10 only will give me 11100 in base 2. So I've converted 28, which is the whole number part, to base 2. I'll keep it one side. Then the decimal part, I'll write 0.125. At this point, I'm going to multiply it with 2, which is the base. So once I multiply, I'll bring out the whole number there. So 2 times 5, 2 times 0.125, 2 times 5 will give me what? 10. I'll write 0, carry 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1, 5. 2 times 1 is 2. Point. 2 times 0 is what? 0. So in this place, I'll bring out the whole number, which is what? 0. And carry the decimal number, which is 0.250. I'll multiply by 2 again. 2 times 0 is what? 0. 2 times 5 is 10. I'll write 0, carry 1. 2 times 2 is what? 4, plus 1, 5. Point. 2 times 0 is what? 0. I'll now pick the whole part, which is 0, and bring the decimal part. I'll continue until I have 0 at the right hand side. Once this side is 0, I'll stop. So I have 0.500 times 2 again. 2 times 0 is what? 0. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 5, then I'll write 0, carry 1. 2 times 0 is 0, plus 1, 1. Then I'll pick the whole number, which is 1. So once I obtain 0 here, I'll do what? Stop. I'll read. Do you understand what I mean? I'll read from up down. So 0.125 in base 10 is equal to 0.001 in base 2. Now combining the two answers I have, which is 28.125 in base 10 is equal to, I'll bring this answer, which is 11100 point. I'll now bring this one, which is 001 in base 2. I hope it's clear.